Financial stability and well-being are essential aspects of leading a fulfilling life. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, mastering the basics of personal finance is crucial. This video will guide you through the fundamentals of personal finance, helping you build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. Setting financial goals. The first step in personal finance is defining your financial goals. Ask yourself questions like, what are my short-term and long-term financial objectives? Do I want to buy a house, start a business, or save for retirement? How much debt do I need to pay off, and by when? Having clear goals will give you direction and motivation to manage your money wisely. It's essential to prioritize your goals based on their urgency and importance. Budgeting. A budget is the cornerstone of good financial management. It's a simple tool that helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you spend less than you earn. Here's how to create a budget. Calculate your total monthly income, including your salary, rental income, and any other sources of income. List all your monthly expenses, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Subtract your expenses from your income to determine your discretionary income. By budgeting, you can identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more money toward your financial goals. Emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having an emergency fund is your safety net. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund will help you cover unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or job loss without resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards. Debt management. If you have debt, prioritize paying it off. Start with high-interest debts like credit cards, personal loans, or payday loans. Make consistent payments above the minimum due to reduce the principal balance faster. Consider strategies like debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower your interest rates. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are key to building wealth over time. While savings accounts offer safety and liquidity, they usually have low interest rates. To achieve higher returns, consider investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles. Consult a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Retirement planning. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s and contribute enough to receive any employer match. If your employer doesn't offer a retirement plan, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA. The power of compound interest can significantly grow your retirement savings over time. Insurance. Insurance is a critical aspect of personal finance. Health insurance, auto insurance, homeowners, renters insurance, and life insurance protect you and your assets from unexpected events. Review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure it aligns with your current needs and circumstances. Continual learning. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving. Stay informed about financial news, market trends, and changes in tax laws. Reading books, attending workshops, and following reputable financial blogs or podcasts can help you expand your financial knowledge and make informed decisions. Final thoughts. Mastering the basics of personal finance is a lifelong journey. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, managing debt, saving and investing wisely, planning for retirement, and staying informed, you can take control of your financial future. Remember that small steps today can lead to significant financial security and peace of mind in the years to come. Start now, and watch your financial well-being flourish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.